everyone, I'm Ange. I'm from New Zealand. I'm a new member of Young Living and I've just received my premium starter kit today and we're gonna do some unboxing. So come and join me with the fun. The desert mist, it's the diffuser, and then we've got this purple and white box which contains the oils and the Ningxia and the Thieves cleaner and hand gel. And also within the box they've also given me some pamphlets and brochures regarding Young Living essential oils. So I think these are all guides as well. Yeah. So we're gonna start to open this diffuser box. Wow! Look at that. So I've got here 10 oils, but I think I have 2 more under. We're gonna take it out and see what's in it. I'm so excited to have this one. I've been waiting for it. So I have here peppermint, lemon, Thieves, citrus fresh. I think this one is not really included in the PSK, but then they've run out of the orange, so this is the replacement that they put in. And then Dry-Dries, RC, Valor, Panaway, I need this one, and then lavender and frankincense. I heard a lot of good things about frankincense, so I'm really excited to use this essential oil. So how do I put you up? Oops. Okay, just leave it like that. And then there's another layer. Wow, there you go. So these are the other 2 oils that they've included. So stress away. I think I need this one. Stress away. And peace and calming. There you go. So this one is a disinfectant, I believe so. Thieves, there you go. So it comes with this one, which is about 30 mils. And also Thieves waterless hand purifier with peppermint oil. So this is really helpful, especially with the pandemic this year. We always need to have our hands clean and germ virus free. Yes, Ningxia, the wonder juice. I want to try this one. I've heard a lot of good things about this, a lot of good reviews. So probably I'm gonna order this for my monthly ER. Ta-da! So now I've got everything out of the box. So this is the complete set of the premium starter kit with 12 essential oils, 1 diffuser of your choice, and then 2 samples of Ningxia juice, a Thieves hand purifier, and also a Thieves disinfectant spray with 2 of the roller fitments and a cap. I'm really happy that I'm now a part of the Young Living family. I can't wait to start this natural, healthy, and oily journey with everyone. Thank you for watching my video. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye!